All right, so I got a bunch of old hoopties. This is a 2002 Mini Cooper S with the John Cooper Works package. It's always having battery issues. If we don't put it on a tender, it goes dead. I need to figure that out, yeah, but it's always good. If you have a car you only drive on the weekends or not regularly, especially if they're older, to keep them on a maintainer, a trickle charger, etc. So this is a really nice battery charger. It comes with pulse repair, multiple protection. You can set it to, it's 180 watts, and you can set it to EGM modes. Let's check it out. Here it is. Nice long leads here, which is nice. Separate those and go ahead and hook this up on the jump box. And what's nice on it is it's going to show you your volts. We're only at 7.3 volts. That's super low. And it's nice that you can do that. You can switch the mode here. So we got standard, repair, and AGM/gel. We have a gel battery in here, so I'm going to hook that one up to it. And it's a 10 amp. We're going to put this on here and see how long it takes to charge up. So now we're hooked up to power, and it's getting the reading. Looks like we're at 10 amps already, and it shows you here the percent the battery is charged at. Also shows you the temperature, which is nice. We're at 11 volts, so it's quickly charging it. And once it's done, it's just going to go into full to maintain it. This works on 12 and 24 volt. And if you have an older battery that might have some bad cells, it can send a pulse to try to fix those, which is nice as well. This actually, even though it was dead, has a very new battery in it, but you can already see we're at 10.4 amps. We start at 7 volts. It's already up to 12 volts. So we want it around 13 or 14.3 volts, but we'll check it out in a little bit. But overall, this seems like it's a great option, even matches the car. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.